easy vegan ramen. This is definitely one of my favourite comfort foods. So we're going to start by marinating the tofu just with some sesame oil and tamari, and then I added a little bit of corn flour just to thicken it slightly for when it fries. And then adding to the bowl, we're going to put in garlic, ginger and spring onion. Just let it sit for 30 minutes or so. I mean, if you're rushed for time, it can sit for 10 minutes, or you can make this in the morning, ready for the evening. I added some chili flakes for a little bit of spice. And then in the frying pan, we just want to add a little bit of sesame oil. We're going to fry off some more chili and garlic, and then add the marinated tofu, which has got all of those beautiful flavours infused. Once it's fried, you want to add the stock. I just used literally boiling water in a stock cube. In the final sort of 3 to 4 minutes, you want to add the tender stem and the noodles and a squeeze of lime. Now traditionally you want to use ramen noodles, but I couldn't find it in the shop, so I just used some wheat noodles, but this works just as good. And then after about 3 to 4 minutes, when the tender stem's good, you want to serve up. So add the broth, add the ramen noodles, add the tofu. Top tip, if you want crispy tofu, just leave it on the side and then add it to the stock at the end. Garnish it up with some fresh chili and some spring onions and a little squeeze of lime. I added some pea shoots, but you can use bean sprouts. And there we have it, my delicious vegan ramen.